Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making fruit salad. This fruit salad is a refreshing and healthy dish that combines varieties of different fresh fruits to create a colorful, flavorful and nutritious treat. So whether you're preparing it for a breakfast or a snack or as a side dish for your family, gathering this fruit is very easy and is super simple to make. So here is step-by-step guide on how you can make a delicious fruit salad for you and your family. So in order to create this basic fruit salad, you'll be needing like 4 to 6 types of fresh fruits. You can choose apple, banana, orange, strawberry, grapes, pineapple, kiwi, blueberry, mango, pear. Just choose any fruit of your choice. It is still going to turn out great. Making this fruit salad is an easy and creative way to enjoy varieties of fresh fruits. By following these simple steps, you can be able to create a vibrant and delicious dish that everyone will love. So you can also tailor this salad to your preference by adding different fruits, flavors or toppings. There are many possibilities. They are very endless. You can make it your way. You can add different kinds of fruit. If you are using fresh fruits bought from the store or from the market, you start by washing all the fruits thoroughly to remove any dirt, pesticides or whatever that is going to mar this fruit. So this is especially important for fruits like apple, grapes and some other foods eaten with their skin. So you make sure you take away any dirt that is going to make these fruits not turn out to be great. So I start by peeling and chopping the fruits. Here I am chopping the watermelon into cube sizes. So while cutting all the fruits, make sure you cut the fruit roughly the same size so the salad is easy to eat and is visually very appealing. You don't want to cut some too big and some too tiny and some too large. Just make sure they are cut in very nice cube shapes. That way your fruit salad is going to turn out really appealing. Always bear in mind, nobody wants to eat fruit salad that is too mushy and is too messed up. So take your time while cutting these fruits. Cut them in a nice cube shapes. Cut them in a way that it will be very pleasant and appealing to the eyes. So after cutting all the fruits, it is now time to mix all the fruits together. So in a large bowl, I am combining all the chopped fruit. So be sure to mix them gently to avoid crushing delicate fruits like the bananas, the pawpaw, watermelon. If you are using fruits that are very delicate, that can get too mushy, just be gentle with them. Avoid mashing or crushing them so hard. So for those who wouldn't like to add anything cream, yogurt or condensed milk into their fruit salad, you can go ahead and serve the fruit salad right away. After mixing all the fruits, just adding your nuts or the coconut flakes into it and you are good to go. If you choose not to add anything cream into your fruit salad. So guys, this is the fruit salad after cutting and mixing all together. If you watch closely, you'll see I did not add the banana because banana tends to get too mushy easily, so I'm going to be adding it later on. So here I am using condensed milk for fruit salad creamer. So there are many ways which you can enjoy this fruit salad. Some go as far as using yogurt or whipped cream for that creamy twist. So you can fold in a few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt or whipped cream. Adding whipped cream or yogurt can make this fruit salad more rich and more tasteful depending on your taste, depending on how you want this. You can add whipped cream, you can add yogurt, you can use condensed milk depending on how you want it. Also, if you want that crunchy bite on your fruit salad, you can sprinkle on some chopped almond, walnuts, or even ground nuts. I am using ground nuts for this, and this add texture and touch of healthy fats into the salad. So once all the ingredients are mixed together, you can serve the fruit salad immediately or let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes to allow the flavor to meld together. So this is how to create your own delicious and refreshing fruit salad. So grab your fruits, gather your ingredients, and start making up a colorful bowl of goodness today. So whether this fruit salad is just for a healthy snacks or a party or a light dessert, trust me, you are going to love it. So don't forget to get creative and add your own personal touch. Try it out and let me know how yours turned out. So if you find this video helpful and you learn one or two things from this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share to your friends and loved ones who might find this really interesting, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe and more content on this space. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting this channel, thanks for supporting this girl, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. So till then, bye bye.